Welcome to the channel Level Up Skills. In this tutorial, we will see how to download an AutoCAD LT software free trial version for students. Step 1. AutoCAD LT is a lighter version of AutoCAD which is a product from Autodesk. To download it, open a browser from your computer and type www.autodesk.com. You will see a home page from autodesk.com. Now, by selecting your region, the specified Autodesk homepage will be displayed. Step 2. Click on Sign In button to create your account for Autodesk Community. Fill all your related information, accept the terms and conditions, and press Create Account button. Account created message will be displayed on screen. If you want any news update from Autodesk at your mail, check this box and press Done button. You will be redirected at your logged in homepage. Step 3. Now open your mailbox to verify your email address. Once you click on the Verify Email button, the account verification message will be displayed in New tab. Then click on Done button and you will be redirected to your logged in homepage. Step 4. Now select AutoCAD LT from Product drop-down list. Click on Download Free Trial. Select your trial product as AutoCAD LT and press Next. Read the system required information carefully and press Next. Now select that you will be using this software as a student or teacher. Viewers, kindly note that the free access is only for educational purpose, not for any commercial use. Now click on Go to Educational Community button. Your welcome page will be displayed on screen. Step 5. Now when you click on Get Started button, Autodesk will ask you for sign in again with the same registered email ID. After sign in, you will have to fill your educational profile verification data. That is country, educational role, institution type and date of birth. On next page, you will have to select your institution name from list. Autodesk have pre-listed all verified institutes. Select your academic duration and click on Next. You will see an account set message on screen. Now your account is ready to access the Autodesk educational community. Click on Continue button and your educational access page will open. Step 6. Click on Get Started button and all your information will display in new page. Check your information and press Confirm button. On next page, you have to upload one of your document issued by your educational institution. The document must include your full name, name of educational institute and date in between your academic duration. Upload the document in supported format and press Submit button. You will see on screen thank you message from Autodesk. Viewers, please note, Autodesk Community will verify your eligibility for educational license and send you confirmation email within 48 hours. Step 7. Now check your mailbox for confirmation email from Autodesk. Once you get an educational license access, you can download any Autodesk product. Now click on Get Product, select the operating system, version of AutoCAD LT and press Download button. You will get a .exe file which can be installed to desktop and laptop. Congratulations! Your AutoCAD LT setup is ready to install. I hope this tutorial will help you to understand the step-by-step procedure to download free trial version of AutoCAD LT software for educational purpose. Please comment below if you have any queries. Thank you.